Guys, so in today's video we're gonna be playing Edward the Enigma. It's not gonna be for kids because it's a little scary. That's why, and it's pretty much again Roblox DOS. Also, I'm rooting for Ominous Nebula or Tanker in RB battles. If they both lose, I'm rooting for Creekcraft or PGHM Films. Um also, my favorite YouTuber used to be Dennis. I used to watch him, and then I watched uh, Ominous Nebula. Then I back in 2020, and then 2021 I started to watch like Tinker or Tinker and Creekcraft. And 2022, I started watching like Full Team Mini Blog. I think yeah. Alright, we're in the thing. We're gonna go against the beast himself. We can't die. We're a man now. We have to fight the monster. Why? Right. I see it. Oh, I don't. Someone just jumped off or died or whatever. You're about to die, my friend. I see the monster within the woods. It's on this side. Wait, did she run away? Hold on real quick. Yo, what's up? Oh. No. Move your head. No way. Oh. Medical. He just stabbed me. Like, hey, don't. I actually was close. gonna do one last match with the monster himself. We're gonna win this. We're the champions. I mean, we're bad. Oh, I got the drip. But I've been playing other games. I haven't played Better since today. Because I've been playing other games. I wanted to record a video like Christmas one, but it was so long I couldn't upload it. I could upload it, but I was just so long, bro. Hey, my lady. Hey, you know how to get free robot? Sure, I'm talking to you. I have some, these are not good. So, this town basically had to fight against this man-eating train. He just lives there? No way. No way he just lives there, bro. No way. No way. Whoa. What do you mean, Mom? Bad. Oh no. I'm so scared. I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. I think the monster's going to attack. Open this cargo door. Close it. How do you close it? You have to drop puzzle. We will fight together. Oh no, I thought that was wood for me. Something's happening. Something's happening down the left side. Why is there red? Oh. Are we not getting hit? Damn, I guess he's nice. I knew it! Sorry, something was up there. I need more ammo because I was in the middle of getting ammo, bro. That's the weirdest way to end the video, but